Right now on our Wade's RV Weather Camera Network. Check out the moon. A little sliver that you can see. Beautiful shot with some high to mid-level clouds streaming in ahead of our next storm system, which will bring us snow this time tomorrow here in northeast Oklahoma. Yeah, it's going to be completely different than what we're enjoying right now. Now, as we watch our future track radar, this is the precip beginning to move into the area. This is at 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, initially starting out as some rain. Now, as this dynamic system lifts to the northeast, we're going to see a rain-snow mix begin to develop during the afternoon hours tomorrow, changing over to all snow between about 5 to 10 o'clock tomorrow here in northeast Oklahoma. And there could be a very heavy band of snow set up here in northeast Oklahoma. Is it right along I-44? Is it just southeast of us, or is it just a smidge north? We're going to have to get a little closer to be able to fine-tune that exact location, just because a few, about 20, 30 miles is going to change the heavy snowpath drastically. And I'm going to show you why. Here's the future track high-resolution snowfall forecast. And look at this narrow band of some moderate to heavy snow accumulations of 5 to 10 inches from, let's say, Pryor to Muskogee down towards Okmulgee to Oklahoma City. Now, what we've seen over the past couple of just past 12, 24 hours is this has shifted a little further north. Yesterday, this was further south, so McAllister, you were expected to get hammered by heavy snowfall, and that still very well could be the case. It's just going to depend on the exact track of that storm system. So generally, I'm seeing about 2 to 5 inches of snowfall for much of northeast Oklahoma with some locally higher amounts possible. And here's another deal. The temperatures aren't going to be that cold, around 33, 34 degrees. So we look at our snow to rainfall ratio, and we're looking at about 8 inches of snow to 1 inch of rainfall, which is reduced. So normally you see about 12 inches of snow to 1 inch of snowfall. You see, yeah, with 1 inch of rain, you get 12 inches of snowfall if you were to melt that down. But this is lower because of the warmer temperatures that we're experiencing. So it's really a complicated scenario. Now let's skip ahead real quick to the weekend, because we're all looking for the weekend, right, after this mess. 58 on Saturday, looking really good. And then here comes a little disturbance. Not expecting much in the way of major winter weather on Sunday, so that's good. But it will be colder as we start to change to a colder pattern. Normal high 49. Tomorrow's highs are going to be in the mid to upper 30s, falling to around 32 to 34 during the event. So not really cold. And then we bounce back up to 40 on Wednesday, 50s to near 60 on Friday and Saturday, turning colder early next week. Right now we're at 44 degrees. Today's high 49. After starting the day cold, 21. Rain starting to develop in the area tomorrow, lower 30s for lows, and then snow by 5 o'clock along I-44 in areas of the south where it's coming down heavy enough. The visibilities will be reduced. We could see heavy snowfall between 5 to 10 o'clock tomorrow evening for a large part of northeast Oklahoma, especially from I-44 down to the south towards Interstate 40. 40 degrees on your Wednesday. Any snow showers will end very early. 44 on Thursday, upper 50s on Friday and Saturday. Here comes colder air coming into our area early to the middle part of next week. Don't worry, we have a whole hour of this newscast, so we have much more on this weather throughout this hour-long newscast. We'll be back with much more right after this.